Okay, so inside Power BI, you can see we have the general UI that you expect from a Power BI report, and with normal graphs, normal slicers, KPI cards, etc., etc. But in the middle here, we have the Aimplan visual. This is now the example where we're trying to plan something on sales, in this case, sales volume or sales price, or plan the revenue pricing of the different products by customer, or plan the different volumes by product and customer. So if we just dive right into some examples, if I expand one of these customers, which is of course filtered based on who I am. So Aimplan is using full RLS, row level security from Aimplan, using Entra ID with Microsoft. So there's nothing additional really in Aimplan that you need to keep track of. It's all integrated. But I'm going to see, of course, the data that I'm responsible for and the planning that I am trying to plan going forward now. So we just write some new value now. Of course, this is initialized with some kind of suggestion from a previous budget or from actuals. We're going to talk much more about that when we talk about OPEX. But let's just write something into these values and maybe copy a few values, maybe enter a total, change something here. And you can see it splashes across. And then when I press save, that's of course now the magic where we save, and going back to that last slide that Eric was talking about, we save through our cloud and back into the semantic model. So the data comes back, of course, for this user. But even more important maybe is that, of course, any other report or any other dashboard or any other graph that you have representation of this data will be also, of course, be able to fetch this type of, or the data that I just entered into those types of reports as well.